Imagine this, you're a teenager with no experience, no fancy job, and no big budget, but somehow you manage to make $1 million. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. In fact, there are 7 powerful strategies that can help you start making money right now, strategies that could eventually lead you to your first million. Stick around because I'm about to show you how teenagers are doing it, and how you can, too. Hey there, future millionaires, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that could change your life. How can teenagers make $1 million? You might think you need years of experience or a ton of cash to get started, but guess what? That's not true. In today's video, I'm going to give you 7 money-making tips that any teen can use to start building wealth. These are simple, practical ideas that could set you on the path to financial freedom. So let's get into it. Tips 1. Start early. The power of time. Let's talk about one of the biggest advantages you have as a teen: time. When it comes to building wealth, the earlier you start, the better. If you start now, you can leverage the power of compound interest, which is like your money making money. Even putting aside just $100 a month into a good investment account could add up over time. It's the secret weapon that will grow your money exponentially, even if you're starting small. So don't wait. Start building your financial foundation today. Tip 2. Learn how to invest even as a teen. Investing is one of the smartest ways to make money. And no, you don't need a bunch of money to start investing, just knowledge. With platforms like Robinhood, Stash, or Acorns, you can start investing with as little as $5. The trick is to focus on long-term investments. Think stocks, ETFs, or even cryptocurrency. You can also learn the basics of investing by following YouTube channels, blogs, or even taking free courses online. If you make wise choices, your money will grow faster than you think. Tip 3. Start a side hustle. Turn your skills into cash. Now, this one is all about using your skills to make money. Whether you're good at graphic design, writing, video editing, or even social media management, there's always a way to monetize your skills. You can sell your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. If you're great at making TikToks or YouTube videos, you could even become a social media influencer. There are endless opportunities to create a side hustle online. Just think about what you're good at and turn that into cash. Tip 4. Create and sell products online. Have you ever thought about creating your own products? It's easier than you think. If you're creative, you could start an online store selling custom-designed t-shirts, phone cases, or even digital products like ebooks or printables. Websites like Etsy, Shopify, and even eBay make it super simple to sell your creations. Plus, there are so many tools out there that make setting up an online store easy and inexpensive, and the best part, you don't need a huge investment to start. Tip 5. Monetize your passion. YouTube and TikTok. Here's a secret: you can make money just by doing what you love. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok are gold mines for creative teens. If you're passionate about gaming, fashion, beauty, cooking, or anything else, there's an audience out there ready to watch you. Once you build an audience, you can make money through ads, brand deals, sponsorships, and even selling your own products. It's all about consistency, creativity, and connecting with your audience. If you stay consistent, the money will follow. Tip 6. Build a personal brand. Building a personal brand is a game changer. Your personal brand is your reputation and what you stand for. Whether it's on social media or in your community, the more people know you for something special, the more opportunities will come your way. Start by showcasing your talents, hobbies, or interests and find a way to share that with the world. People love authenticity, so be yourself and your brand will naturally grow. From there, you can sell products, land sponsorships, and even collaborate with other brands. Tip 7. Develop a money mindset. Finally, it's all about mindset. You have to think like a millionaire to become one. Successful people don't focus on spending, they focus on growing their wealth. Start by learning about money management, budgeting, and saving. Set financial goals for yourself and create a plan to reach them. Remember, every big goal starts with small, consistent actions. And the earlier you start, the faster you'll get there. Conclusion. Alright, now you know the 7 strategies that can help any teenager make $1 million. The key is to start right now. Take action, learn as you go, and be consistent. Building wealth doesn't happen overnight, but with patience, hard work, and smart choices, you can make your dreams a reality. So, are you ready to take your first step toward becoming a millionaire? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-making tips.